Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This is the video for class 3 subject English. Our today's thought is this: winners are not those who never fail but those who never quit. So the people, those who win in the world, whoever wins, that is not the person who never failed. They have also failed in their lives, but they never quit. Means when you fail to do something, you tried something for the first time, you fail. Second time you try it, again you fail. Try it the third time, the fourth time. In short, do not stop trying. So you are not a quitter, and finally you will win. That is what it means. The common instructions are this: just read the instructions and follow them. Be kind, use polite words, listen very carefully, think first, be honest, take turns, respect everyone around you, help others, and do your best. I hope you are following these instructions as I give you every day. Please do it. In today's video, what shall we cover? We shall cover lesson 9, A Dream Come True, that we have already learnt. We have also read the notes. So first I'll give the recap of the previous video. In the previous video, what did we do? We read the notes. So first I will also give you the revision of that video, and then we will solve some of the textual exercises, right? So let's begin solving it. So in the previous video, we had learned the notes of lesson 9, A Dream Come True, the worksheet we had done. What was that? Multiple choice questions. In the story A Dream Come True, whom was Sarah reading about? A kind-hearted girl. Which of these means ability to read and write? Literacy. What did both the Sarahs love in the story? They loved reading. True or false? Reena was reluctant, means Reena did not like to learn in this story. False. Reena was able to read and write within a few months in this story. True. Sarah offered to teach Reena that I will teach you. False. So read the lines and answer the questions. God bless whoever has made my dream come true, but I wonder who it could be. Who is the speaker of these lines? The speaker is Reena. What is the dream that has come true? So to learn to read, write is the dream that came true. Do you know the person who has made it possible? Yes, it is Sarah. Match the following that we had done. Opposite words: love, despise, kind, mean, dream, reality, late, punctual, teach, learn. Then we had done adverbs exercise, adverb of time, place or manner. Every morning, adverb of time. Gladly, adverb of manner. Sadly, adverb of manner. Evening, adverb of time. Then we had solved the textual exercise, MCQ. Sarah was reading a book called The Little Princess. The princess in the storybook was helpful. Reena began learning to read, write and count and add. Reena's dream came true because of Sarah. Read the lines and answer the questions. Thank you, Sarah, but how did you do it? Who is the speaker? Reena. Why did the speaker thank Sarah? Because Sarah fulfilled speaker's dream and used two adjectives to describe Sarah: kind-hearted and helpful. Now we shall continue with the new topic today, our textual exercises. Let us solve it. So this is the new topic for our today's video, textual exercises. What are called the textual exercises? The exercises that are given behind in the chapter. After the chapter gets over, there are a few pages which have textual exercises. We need to solve them so we can get some extra knowledge of the lesson and the grammar part which they have included in the textual exercises, right? So this is lesson number 9, a dream come true, textual exercises. First thing is listening exercise. So here the paragraph is given on Walt Disney. See, this is the paragraph of 2 pages as you can see over here. I will read this paragraph and then we will solve true or false. We have true or false exercise, right? We have 5 or 6 true or false that we will write the answers. But first we will read this paragraph. It is listening practice. Means you have to listen to me with your earphones on. You have your hands free or earphone, so you can plug in your ears, put that earphones and listen to me very attentively, very carefully as I will read this paragraph line by line very clearly, and every word I will make it clear. But you have to listen to me very, very clearly. That is the thing that you have to follow. So I will start reading now from Walt Disney. I will show my arrow so that you know where I am reading. But be very, very attentive, because then you have to give answers for this true or false. And it is from the same paragraph. This is like comprehension. But in comprehension, you have to read and find the answer. But in this, I will read, you have to listen to me. It is your listening practice. When you will listen to me, you will improve your listening skills, right? You will improve your English, and I want you to listen to me how to pronounce each and every word. Let us start. Walt Disney was a man who always dreamed of creating art. He tried to work with a renowned newspaper but was rejected. He then started his own company, Laugh-O-Gram, but soon the company went bankrupt. But Walt never gave up hope. He moved to California and created the first animal cartoon, Oswald the Lucky Rabbit. But that venture too met with problems. Looking back at his life, he once said, "It was good to experience huge failures when you were young." He learned valuable lessons from all his failures and went on to create Mickey Mouse, the most loved Disney character. His first voiced animation film became a huge success and inspired him to keep creating more memorable characters such as Donald, Daisy, Pluto, and Goofy. Today, Disney is one of the biggest brands in the world because he followed his dreams and never gave up hope. Walt Disney went down in history as a successful artist, voice actor, and entrepreneur. So this was the paragraph which I read. I will read it once again for you. It is listening practice, as I said. So you have to listen to me very attentively once again, and only then you can give the correct answers of true or false. This is your listening test. I am not going to explain this, but you have to increase your listening and understanding capacity. Walt Disney was a man who always dreamed of creating art. He tried to work with a renowned newspaper but was rejected. He then started his own company, Laugh-O-Gram, but soon the company went bankrupt. But Walt never gave up hope. He moved to California and created the first animal cartoon, Oswald the Lucky Rabbit. But that venture too met with problems. Looking back at his life, he once said, "It was good to experience huge failures when you were young." He learned valuable lessons from all his failures and went on to create Mickey Mouse, the most loved Disney character. His first voiced animation film became a huge success and inspired him to keep creating more memorable characters such as Donald, Daisy, Pluto, and Goofy. Today, Disney is one of the biggest brands in the world because he followed his dreams and never gave up hope. Walt Disney went down in history as a successful artist, voice actor, and entrepreneur, means a businessman. So, after reading this paragraph, after listening to me, I hope you have understood at least the minimum of it. And if you have understood more than 50%, then it is good that you have a good listening skill. But when you keep on listening to me again and again, I am sure that your listening skills will improve with the upcoming days. Now, true or false exercise, it is based on the paragraph that we just read twice, that was of Walt Disney. Let us read and find out whether the answers are true or false, the given sentences. Number 1. Walt Disney always dreamed of becoming an artist. Did he? Yes. So here the answer should be true. He had a dream of becoming an artist. Right? It is shown over here. Who always dreamed of creating art. See over here my arrow. So that would be true. So you will write answer 1 as true. Number 2. His first business was called Laugh-O-Gram. Is it? Was his first business Laugh-O-Gram? Over here, he tried to work with newspaper. So that was not his first business. Laugh-O-Gram was not his first business. So here the answer is false. I will mark over here F. That is for false. Number 3. Oscar was the name of the first animal cartoon he created. He created the animal cartoon, and did he give the name Oscar? It was over here. You can see Oswald the Lucky Rabbit. So what is it? Is it true or false? Here as you can see, he gave the name Oswald. Right? It is given Oswald the Lucky Rabbit. But here it is written Oscar. So the answer should be false, because the spelling over here is Oscar. So that is wrong. It should be Oswald. Number 4. Disney believed that no one should experience failures. Is it true? Disney believed no one should experience failures. So here the answer is false, because according to Disney, failures are a part of life. So no one should experience failure. That is incorrect statement. So false. Number 5. Disney shot to fame with Mickey Mouse. Disney shot to fame with Mickey Mouse. So the answer over here is false. So these were the 5 TF, true or false, of the paragraph that we just read about listening practice. Now the next we have the paragraph you can see over here. Let us read what is given, the conversation between the two, as you can see over here, right? The girl and the woman. So look over here where my arrow is. Reena's dreams came true because of Sarah. So Reena was grateful and thanked her. Do you know how to offer help to someone and respond politely to someone's offer or help? Read this conversation between mother and a daughter. So in this lesson we know that Sarah helped Reena and Reena thanked her. So do you know how to ask someone for the help and how to respond very politely, very nicely to someone? See this conversation over here. See the girl what she says to mother. Your bag is so heavy, mom. Can I carry it for you? Mother. Thank you, Ria. You can carry the smaller bag. So this is the conversation between the daughter and the mother. This girl is Ria. She is asking her mother, if she could carry her bag because the bag was very heavy, and mother replied that she could carry a smaller bag. This is the conversation, how they talked, see, very politely. Then, now read the conversation between two friends. Here, two friends are talking to each other. Read it. Here, first friend, Hitesh. These sums are very difficult. Gina. May I take a look? I may be able to help you. Hitesh. Yes, of course. That's very kind of you. See how these both are talking. Hitesh and Gina. First, Hitesh says to Gina that the sums are difficult. Then Gina says that may I take a look? How politely she said. And she wants to help Hitesh. So Hitesh said yes, it is very kind, means you are very helpful girl. This is how you talk. This is called conversation. Two people talking. See, read these words aloud. Now there are some words which are given aloud. You have to read these words loudly with me. Why are we reading? Because we have to see the different sounds of S. What do we have to see over here? Different sounds of S. So you have to practice reading with me. All of you will read it with me. I hope it is clear. You have to read with me. Let us read. Number 1. B-L-E-S-S. Bless. B-L-E-S-S. Bless. B-L-E-S-S. Bless. Number 2. S-L-E-E-P-Y. Sleepy. S-L-E-E-P-Y. Sleepy. Number 3. M-O-R-N-I-N-G-S. Mornings. M-O-R-N-I-N-G-S. Mornings. Number 4. P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S. Princess. P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S. Princess. Number 5. L-O-V-E-S. Loves. L-O-V-E-S. Loves. Number 6. D-R-E-A-M-S. Dreams. D-R-E-A-M-S. Dreams. So this is how we pronounce different S sound. See everywhere over here. Bless. Sleepy. Mornings. Princess. Loves. Dreams. So did you notice the pronunciation of the letters in green? See everywhere how did we speak? Did you notice how did I speak those words? So in the first 3 words, the S is pronounced as snake. See, bless, sleepy, mornings. So how we speak the word snake? We speak these 3 words in the same way. But what about these 3 words? In the last 3 words, S is pronounced with Z sound, like zebra. How we speak zebra? Same way, princess, loves, dreams. So here we pronounce S with Z sound, princess, loves, dreams. Here there is Z sound and here there is S sound. That is how the pronunciation is different of the word of the alphabet S. So here we have a fun exercise. See what is given. You have to write this exercise in your textbook, okay? And if you do not have textbook, do write it in the rough book one time. Circle the words in which S is pronounced as Z sound. Where there is Z sound, Z, that you have to circle. One has been done for you. So one is already circled. See, M-U-S-I-C. What is it? Music. What do we pronounce? We pronounce Z sound. Music, Z. So we circled it. Now we will read one by one and we will circle the words which has Z sound in place of S. Number 2. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. Clothes. What is the sound? Clothes. It has Z sound, right? Clothes. We speak like that. Clothes. So Z sound is there over here. Then next, cups, 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 cups. Cups does not have Z sound, it only has S sound. There is no Z sound over here. Then sword, 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 sword. We say s sound, so we will not circle that. Then next, snow, 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 snow. Again s sound is there. We have to see Z sound. cliffs, 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 cliffs. Here also we speak with S sound, not with Z. please, please. What do we say? Please. Z sound is there over here, so we have to circle that. Please, Z sound. easy, easy. What do we say? Easy? No, we say easy. Z sound is there. Easy. So again we shall circle this word also. Easy. close, 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 close. Z sound again. Close. So wherever we have Z sound, we are circling that. Next, swan, 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 swan. Here we have S sound, so we will not circle it. suits, 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 suits. We will not circle this. Suits. dose, 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 dose. Right? So here also we have Z sound. Dose, dose, dose. Z sound is there. Z, dose. So we circle it. So all these are the words which I have circled with Z sound. Music, clothes, please, easy, close and dose. Now let us see the next exercise. Number the words in each set in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order you have to give number. Which one will come first, second, third and fourth according to ABCD. Alphabetical order means according to ABCD. 26 alphabets are there in ABCD. That is called alphabetical order. And you have to give numbers over here according to the alphabetical order. See, number 1 I will teach you. Cat, read, blue, orange. So see this first one. Only the first one we will see. Cat, read, blue and orange. Which alphabet comes first in ABCD? Here is O, here is B, here is R and here is C. So in ABCD the first alphabet is B. Here B for blue is given, right? So that will come number 1 as we have B for blue. Then which one will come after B? We have C. C for cat. After B we have alphabet C. So over there number 2 will come. Then which one will be number 3 after cat? Then we have the word alphabet O, because R comes after O. So first we write O. O for orange over here. That will be number 3. And which one will be number 4? The last one will be read, as R comes last from this 4 alphabets. Now I will write the answer and you will see. So as you can see, the numbers I have given. First will be blue, right? Then cat. Then what do we write? Orange and read. So these are the alphabetical orders. Same way in all these 5 you have to do the same. Let's see over here. Football, arm, danger and zebra. Which one will come first from this 4? Of course in ABCD we see A is first. So for that we write arm. Arm will come first. So we write over here. Then which one will be number 2 after A? F, D or Z. Which one should come first from this? It should be D. D for danger. That will come as number 2. So that we write over here. Number 2, danger. Then which one will come number 3? After that we have F for football, because Z will come at last in ABCD. So number 3 we have, that is football. let us write number 3 over here in football. And the last one is number 4, that is zebra, because Z comes at last in ABCD. Now after that, number 3, let us discuss. See over here, argue, kind, hug and ink. So here we have A, here we have K, H and I. So of course in ABCD you know that A comes first, right? So let us write number 1 in A. See, I will just write 1, you will also write it with me. Argue, that is number 1. And after argue, what shall we write? K, H or I. What will come? The first H will come, because we say H-I-J-K, right? So H will come as number 2 in this. So let's write number 2 where the word hug is given. And number 3, after H we write I. I for ink is given over here. So we write number 3 in ink. And lastly, number 4 which remains, that is kind. K for kind. So these are the 4 alphabetical order: argue, hug, ink and kind. Then number 4 we have lamp, magic, work and poor. See, here is L, then M, over here W and here P. So according to ABCD, which word should come first? L should come first. So there we write number 1, because L comes first. What should come after L? In ABCD, M comes after L. L, M, right? After L, there is M. So that is number 2, magic. After M, what shall we write? W or P? P comes before W. So there we write number 3, poor. And the last remains, that is number 4. What is it? Work. So I hope you understood that we are arranging the words in alphabetical order. Now the last sequence: F for fairy, G for goblin, E for elf, O for ogre. Now here is F, here is G, here is E and here is O. So according to ABCD, we know that E comes the first from this 4. So number 1, where should we write? Elf. Number 1 we write in elf. What should come number 2 after E? A, B, C, D, E, F. So F should come as number 2. F for fairy over here. And after fairy, what is it? Goblin or ogre? G or O? So G comes before O. So for G we write number 3, as I write over here, number 3. And the last remains, that is number 4. What is it? Number 4 is ogre. Ogre is number 4. So this was the exercise. We have numbered the words in each set in alphabetical order. See, 4 words are given everywhere. First 4, second 4, the third, the fourth, and the last one, number 5. We have arranged all these words. Set of 4 words are given everywhere. We have arranged those words in alphabetical order. So I hope you enjoyed today's exercises that we solved from the textbook, and in the upcoming video we will solve more exercises which are given in your textbook based on dictionary skills and grammar. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.